Today's video is an easy guide to extracting a SAML certificate fingerprint. If you're stuck because your service provider asks for the certificate fingerprint instead of the certificate, don't worry. Here's what you need to do. First, log into your Okta admin console. Head over to Applications, then Applications again. Find and select the application you're working with. Once you're there, click on the Sign On tab. You'll see a button labeled View SAML Setup Instructions. Click on it. This action will open a new browser tab with the information you need. In the new tab, scroll down until you find the X509 certificate section. Here, copy all the text you see. Next, paste this text into a text file and save it with a .crt extension. Locate and open the .crt file you just created. Look for a section titled Details. Scroll through this section until you see Thumbprint. That's where you'll find the fingerprint value. Remember, the fingerprint is encoded using the same algorithm as mentioned in the signature hash algorithm field. This detail is important to ensure compatibility. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved the fingerprint from your SAML certificate. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.